Hello trader and welcome for our new stream with CEO Code. Today is 1 February 2021. We will go and we will see what happened with the start on Monday. So we will wait for a little bit more to for come online so we can talk about the market. So we will see what you would like to what chart you would like to look at. You can see we will go over. We have AUD, we have USD, GBY, the Japanese yen, and we will see what happened with the open of this week. Thank you. So we are back and we have looking for the Australian dollar today. As we can see, the open of as we can see, we have a short signal. It comes on January, which is last week. 28. It's I think it was on Thursday. See, it was at the 0.769 and start reaching the resistance here. As we can see, the highlight, it says resistance, and then it start falling until the previous low, which was on 28th of January. So we still waiting for any signal for the long, and I think it will be around, if we extend the support here, we try to extend the support here so we can see it more clearly. But as we can see, the market is a bit slow. It's Monday, so we will see what will happen with AUD. Also, we have USD Japanese yen. The US Japanese, as we can see as well on 26th of January, start to keep it up and is just reaching the 1.5 today. At the 1.5, we just expect to be a bit riches down there, maybe to the previous support. We will see with New York Open, so we can understand what will happen. We can see after the new president for USA, he comes. I think, as I said last month, we will see a bit of change on the USD dollar to get more stronger. Um, and yesterday, I think at the open, it was natural gas. I think it has a really really big spike there, and from 2.5 to 2.7. So it was really huge spike. Even the gold as well, just range. The dollar, the gold, the long signal here, it was 1840, and it goes not so much. I think it will keep ranging like this. As we can see, there is a bit little moves here. Did reach the trend, but let's see if the dollar keep as little bit just down like that. I think the gold will expand. So we have here, we have the British pound. As I say, the US getting more stronger. Even the NU as well. I saw the NU. It was. This is what's happened since, yeah, the end of January. What happened at 2021? Yeah, here, yeah. Think it started from here, as I say, with the President Biden just start. Keep range falling, very well. So I'm still shorting the NU and the EU as well. I think the EU will be the same, yeah. So we will see here, as we can see here as well, when the price just reached the support level here. See the support highlight. The price just when supported, just come closer to the previous highlight support, it just goes up again, and I think it will keep range until we got a long signal here, which is saying long. Um, the market is a bit quiet today. There is no big move, so we can see what's happening. We have trader ask for, yeah, natural gas. It was, yeah, it was very, very strong spike yesterday at the open. Yesterday we will have a look on silver too. Now let's go for the XRP as XRP USD. Oh, yeah, the XRP, we have the long signal here. He started since 27th of January. So yeah, I think it was Wednesday. Yeah, it was Wednesday, and they still keep it up. But just look how from, I think the price it was 25 and it reached to, wow, so it's like 50. That's really good. That's really, really good. Here it was dying, but that's really nice. That looks really interesting. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for mentioning it. Bitcoin haste. Yeah, it looks really good. I think it will keep more going up. Let's see what will happen there. Even if we have here the long signal as well, as we can see, it was on 27 of 28th of January, which is I think Wednesday. So also we have natural gas as we talking about it as well. The natural gas, it have a big spike yesterday at the open. And the ski, it's just keeping going up. So if we just um, look for a big chart so we can see here. Yeah, we can see that so clearly here. So I think, let's see here what will happen then. But we have our signal which is saying until now longer. We didn't get any short signal yet, so it's just keep it long. Just to keep it long here, as we can see that it's very, and we have our resistance here. It was, look, if you have a look for the resistance, you will see it just is matching the line which we put it for the 4 hour. The red line here is matching the support, the resistance, which we already have it on the indicator. So that's I think it's really good. Let's see the profit percentage here. The percent, so I think that's really, really nice. So this highlight, as we know, it do not repent, as we say it before. It didn't repent at all. It's just a story, and just code it as price, historical price data, so will not move at all. As we can see, even the price when it break, it just comes back from there. So there is no any issues with the highlights. Last week we make a uh, free trial for this indicators just to get a feedback, and the feedback, it was really, really good. We make 155 trial last week, free trial, uh, and it was really nice, and most of the trader really like the idea. And we have here, as we can see, the alert. This alert just you will receive alerts like this way. Let me show you that. Sorry for the sound. We're in London this week. You can so this is the alert which is comes. It will tell you, oh, short in you, long in you, natural gas or whatever. So you just go here and buy or sell, and you write the rich alert which is here. Would you like to receive it at one time, and there you can receive it here SMS, and you write your message here, which is long natural gas, short natural gas create, and you receive it when it just comes long or short. We have some requests to say, let's see the silver as let's see the silver. This is the gold, and we go to the silver. The silver was, oh my god, that's really okay. We can see here. If you have a look to with me, I show you something very important. Look here, this highlight, and look to this highlight. This highlight, it's resistance. This highlight, it's a resistance highlight, and this one, it's a support. I say this highlight do not repaint at all, but if you just have a look with me, look where is the price when it's just goes there. You see when the price just goes there, it just like it's a rock level of the price, just it goes back again. See that? We will see here what will happen, but I didn't have any short signal here. As you can see, it's long since 27th of January, which I think, and it reached the 30. It reached the 30. It was 24, so around 6,000. So that you are right, 11%. Uh, that's a huge. Also, XRB distance. I think keep like this going to break it as well. How can I change the time on the alert? It's very easy. You just go to the alert there. The time you whatever you want. 1440 is daily. 720 is 12 hour. I prefer to use a daily so it will looks clear for me, and I'm a day trader, so I have a 1 day. As you can see, if you look 26th of January, 27th of January, 25th of January. Sometimes it take long. If it's trend, it will keep just with the previous alert. So it's easy. You just go to settings, charge time, and you change the charge time as you would like to be. You can make it 240, which is 4 hour. You can make it 15, which is 15-minute short. But I like the clear signal, which is will be a daily one. If it's trending like yesterday. Of course, if it will break the resistance, it will keep just going to the direction which we can see here. So if you look here with me, here is break the it give you a long signal, and the break the resistance here, and it goes to next resistance as well, break it, and now he's under the price under the live resistance here, the highlight. So as we can, it's very clear to just trading with this highlight. It's very useful, and it will help you so much for many uh, so many traders. They use it and they build them a strategy on it. It's really useful, very nice. So if we go back to Forex, let's see what happened this is the Euro USD. Wow. We can see the Euro USD is break the support here. But look what's happened with the previous. This is the previous support too. Look, you see the price. it has to respect all the levels. So I say so many times for all the trader, please just if you would take to look for the historical price, you will get a really good result. And this is what you can find it with uh, this highlights front of you. The highlight just very strong levels for the historical price, and always the price respected so much. GBB passport. Oh my god, that's funny. GBP, the GBP Chinese yen. Huh, I think we have a big trend long. I think so. It looks okay for me until now. But look again here. Why the price is just retraced back here? Look here the previous support and resistance. So look to the previous resistance here. You see that? See the previous resistance here. Okay, look for if we are here, let's forget part. Forget this part. Okay, let's go back a little bit. Look for this previous support here. If I just turn it on again with the previous support with the live support as well. Look at this, the previous support. Look here for the previous resistance too. It's very weird, no? Look for the previous support. Look for the previous resistance. It's really weird, no? Look at that. It looks nice. So this is what's happening. You have request or any idea about the indicators, just please just drop a message for me and I will look short at 8.8888. I think you like this number. Yeah, we will see. So if we go back and have a look last week a free when we make a free trial for the indicators here, I got on one time 175 requests and I spent all night just to send the indicators, and the feedback what I got from all the traders, it was really nice. I would like to thank you all of you for your support, and of course um, we have a huge library of indicators, and most of them is no do not repent at all. Um, I have some traders they really like how the indicators uh, helping them. I would like to say something here. As I said, the sub resistance do not repent at all. But the signal on the signal on the break, let's say it will break here the support here, and it will give me long. It will keep short, and this long will disappear. This will gone. Why? Because it's a live price, but the highlight it's a historical price, so will not move. But even that, you can see you can build your strategy with the highlights and the which is a historical price, and the live price too. You can see this very clearly here. When we just use the previous support and resistance, what's happening on the price? It's so this is what we have. So let's see what will happen then. Sushi USD. So we will keep here looking for. Let's have a look on the British pound. Oh my god. We can see a falling of the British pound. The British pound, it's just. I expect here on the resistance, on the support here, just to Q is live. As I said, look for the previous support and resistance as well. Don't ignore it. Look. So let's see what will happen here. I just extended the previous support and resistance support, so we can see what the price will doing here. It's let's see what the price will doing. You will see that is a seller keep selling and strong, so it will break it. So we are back here. If you have a look with me, just have a look with me. Look how, as I said, just extended the previous support and resistance. Look what's happened to the price. It's live. Do you see what's happened to the price? It's really weird. It just like it's really respect the level of the support and resistance as we can see on the chart. You can see that. It's very weird. It just I sushi. Oh my god, that's crypto. Sushi USD. Oh my god, really? The first time I just see this currency. Sushi USD. How much is it? Seriously. That looks not bad. Looks really good. I think this is it break all the. Let's see the long. Wow. Even the. I think it is more higher. The. Oh my God, what is going? That looks really nice. That looks really, really good. Wow. First time I saw it, to be honest. What do you think of Sushi USD trader? Oh my God. GU 1.4 soon. GU 1.4. Oh my God, you 1.4. Are you sure? All this way up. I think it's with because all this way it's ranged. As you see, it's really unclear. So let's see what will happen. But as I said, just look how it's respected the level of the price, the previous support and resistance. And if we look for the GBP Japanese yen, we have it as a long signal. Yeah, this is what it's happening. We have it long as well. Look at this. I like just it to be the chart is to be so clear and about my trade so everything will be easy front of me. I can't just take too much drawing, too much analysis. Just it's really will makes me feel uncomfortable when I just try to take a trade, my trade. But when the chart is clear, this is the most important for you, just to your chart to be so clear. And I remember the trader last week for last live stream. It was I think last week on Monday. I think I made it on Monday last week. I was have a free trial for the trader, and I got 175. Think more than this a little bit. Request of the free trial, and when the traders comes back to me, they really like how the strategy is working, and even they build them a strategy on the strategy, which is the indicator strategy. Some traders they say I'm not using indicator. I say this thing is getting faster. You can just have a look and oh yes, yes, this is my trend line. I will add it there, or this is my support and resistance I drew it by myself. That's fine, but the time goes faster. Everything is changed. We have a technology now. We have, if you are a really good, you can code, or you have a code with the indicator, this will help you so much because it will read the price which you can't. What you see on your screen is different than what it's behind, it's inside the price. So you need something to read the price, what's inside the price. That's the thing of the indicator. The indicator is seeing what you don't see, which is very important. This is really important, but no one just mentioned this point before. Yes, I'm not using indicator because he can't find a good code for the indicator. That's very easy and simple. If you can't find, of course you will say, "Ah, I'm not using, I don't like it." But if you nice, you were gonna use it. This is what's happening here. I have a really good indicators, and I have some indicators do not repent as well at all. So some indicators, this highlight front of you support and resistance. This highlight do not repent at all. I have many as well. So if you have a really good code, you will not caring of you using the indicator or you're not using the indicators. This is not the point. The point is how to make a money. Did I'm right or wrong? Just please write for me. I'm right or wrong? Are we all looking how to make a money, or we are looking to how to make the indicator? I use indicator or I'm not using indicator. We are here, all of us, to make a money, right? That's the point. But if you have a different mentality, which no, I make it for fun, so that's different. But I'm here using the indicator. I look for the screen. I spend my time, which is a time it's very important to make a money. Is it right? Trader. If GU to 1.4, then EU are GBP to 0.8. Let's have a look to. I like the euro. I like the euro British pound. Even I like to trade it. Look, just have a look with me. I just say it many times. Look here. The price just very closer to the support and support level, just turn up again. The price break the resistance here, you just have to go down. It's all about your strategy. It's all about your strategy. I promise you, maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow, I will give you a free trial again as a last week, and we will see what you think, because all the traders what they got it last week, they really like this. I recommend for you, maybe I will make it tomorrow or after tomorrow. We can make a free trial, maybe for this indicator or maybe for different indicator, because I have a library indicators, people. Look at this. This is all my indicator, and I have some of them. So let's see. Let's see. I think post is do not repent. If we have a look at USD. Okay, this is post indicator. Forget the top one. This is post indicator. The bottom one is this alert is post indicator. This indicator not repent at all. At all. It's zero repent. Look how much I make there. 128 pips. This indicator, which is showing you the green is buy, the red is sell, it's not repent. It do not repent. I keep saying it. Kona, okay, Kona is a bit different, but let's finish first. Mrs. Golden Drake, sorry. So if you look here, look at this, look at that, Look at that. How to know the indicator do not repent when it just not gives you the perfect signal? If you have a look here for this short, you think this short will goes a little bit late, but if you just, let's say you take the short from here and then you long from, yeah, you will lose 3 bip, 4 bip, but you will make 128 bip with a trend. Did you got my point? This indicator do not repent. I'm use it. I'm also use the support and resistance. If you have a look for USD Canadian, look at that. This indicator do not repent at all. Look at this. Don't know, just when someone told me I'm not using indicator, I say I'm sorry, I use only indicator. I use only indicator. I hope just you got the point what I'm talking about when I say I'm using only indicator. Now we will have a look together as well for the Kona indicator. I will show you something very important. Kona. This is the indicator, Kona indicator. But the thing here is, I'm not using Kona on the normal candle. I use Kona for the line indicators, work with a different kind of chart type. So if you look with me to here, I'm not using for the line break and do not repent at all. So look with me here. If you just have a look, small chart or big chart or whatever, look, if I just mark it here, I say is do not repent. If I like here, let's say the short here, and then long here, short again, they got the long here. Oh no. So now if I go to the normal candle, which we look, I don't think, look at this, look at that. How nice is that? This is what I'm saying when I say if you have a really good code for the indicators, of course you're not gonna make just yourself stressed. Of course, this is the point. I hope what I said it just help, and if you have any request or any question, just please drop it on the message and I'm gonna come back for you as soon as possible. It is when someone telling you, oh, I'm not using an indicator, tell him, okay, you don't use the indicator, then you really wasting your time. That's all what I would prefer than keg for me. Kegi, it's a bit late. It's really a bit late. But I would like to prefer the line break better than keg. Yeah, this is what I would like to do. As I say, just it's very important to use your strategy with the indicator. Do not use only your indicator, you don't use only your strategy. But we can see how here the price really respect the levels. See here how the price really respect the levels, and that's the really the most important part of all of that is to just respect your technology. This is the very important. So if we go back and have a look at here, this is you see here how the price respect the indicator is really respectful. So if we go back here and have a look for example, let's have a look on the Bitcoin. Look at the see the price how really respect the level. Look, did you see that? It's really powerful highlights. It's really important to use your strategy with the indicator, both of them. Just that's all you need. I don't think you need anything else. That's all you need. You need to use a technology which is faster and easier. It's all about how you will use it. I showed you before not repenting indicators, and I showed you. So for example, we two was talking about one of my indicator. It called Kona indicator, and I made this Kona. I made it for line break, which is line break will not get moved. It's not repent. Did you get what I'm talking about? It will not repent. Look at that. You can make money or not here. Of course you can make money. Tools to help you. That's all what you need. You need some tools to help you. That's all. Someone, but I was prefer line break, to be honest. On this indicator, I really prefer the line break. It's so many different strategy you can use, but it's all about you. It's all about you. Just if there is any request about any chart or any question, I would love to answer it. We have something also it called range. Oh, give me a second. I think I made a mistake. Look, line break. Line break. I think it was 3. No, it shouldn't. It's well, it should be line break 1. Yeah, look at that. This not rebent. That's not rebent. So is it make money or not? If it's not rebent, it makes it the point. I'm here, you are here, you spend your time, I spend my time as well. Why? To make a money. That's the point. That's all the point. I'm not come here to enjoying to look for the screen, drawing the chart, spend your time all the day without nothing. This is not working like that. So we going back to our we can see here very, oh my god, look the Australian dollar. Look the Australian dollar. As I said, always look for the previous level. Always look for the previous level. If there is any question before I end the live stream, as I say, I promise you tomorrow or after tomorrow, what I'm going to do is I am going to give you a free access for this indicator, so you can try it, you can see how it will help you. Is it will help you or not? This is the point. So if there is any question or any request I can help you, can you show me Bitcoin online break, please? Of course. That's the Bitcoin online break. That's the Bitcoin online break. What do you think? That's the Bitcoin online break. And if we go for others, we can see I really like line break so much. So anyway, if there is any question, please, or any request would you like me to look for, just please just drop a message for me. I'm gonna answer for you as soon as possible. Promised week we will make a free trial for the indicators. We made it last week and we got more than 175 requests, and most of the traders they was what they have. I hope I can make one more time free request uh, for the indicators, maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. I hope this is can help all of you, and I would love to say have a really good, so happy to be with you every day this month. Just I would like to say thank you and good luck.